Well, this truly is the injury that just keeps on giving. Um, I am making another video because it's about to be 5 years since I broke my ankle, and I'm sitting here right now on New Year's Eve, um, elevating and icing my ankle yet again. Because over the last few weeks I've been feeling sort of a nagging pain. It's like a sharp, sometimes sharp, sometimes dull pain on the inside of my heel, I guess, kind of close to my arch, kind of close to like right below my ankle bone on the inside of my foot. And I think that it is coming from some sort of repetitive movement that I'm doing in my bar classes, that's putting some pressure on my calf and maybe my ankle in a weird way. But anyway, it's been worse the last few days, and so I've started icing it. I have these like silicone cupping cups that you kind of like suction to your muscles, and that works for a lot of my back pain. So I kind of attacked my calf the other day. I don't know if that was a great idea. But anyway, I'm making a video because this is a totally different pain than the video that I posted about in my last post. But I took out my crutches from storage because I thought I should just give my ankle like a day of rest. Because if it is kind of stressed from repetitive motion, if it's like a ligament or a tendon or something, I just wanted to stop the repetitive motion. So getting on those crutches like kind of freaked me out. I have a little PTSD, I guess. And I'm trying to not freak out because I got through the really, really bad parts 5 years ago. But I just wanted to let you guys know that going back to the question that I always get asked, which is how soon did you start to feel better? It's obviously an ongoing process. That's not to say that I don't have days that I don't think about my ankle. I have had many of those days that I don't think about it, but it just it shows me that when I get a little bit lax or I try to ignore some little pain, it's probably a bad idea. So that's my update. I hope that you guys have a great new year and a pain-free one and a healing one, and I will certainly try to do the same. For now, I'm just icing and elevating, and we'll stay off of it as much as I can, and I'll let you guys know what happens. And continue to email me if you have questions or thoughts. I'm always around. And that's it. Okay, bye.